Hey guys, it's day 3 of October, and today was the first day that I didn't have any drawing prepared, so I had to sketch something up real quick this morning and transfer it right away to my paper. I'm just gonna show you, which is probably gonna be a bit easier. How do I do this? So this is my drawing, and I didn't have a whole lot of time for details. The fuck is a detail? For details and stuff. So there's gonna be quite a bit of details I have to figure out while I'm drawing, while I'm inking. I'm gonna use my Micron pens this time. Just because I think that this will be a bit quicker than with my pen and water brushes. I've already tried it out. I have several blocks, watercolor blocks, that I took a scrap piece of paper off and tried out all of the inking supplies that I have just to see how they would look like. And I actually kind of like, wait, I'm gonna zoom you in a bit. And I kind of like how the micron pens look on this paper. And now I'm gonna set everything up and start inking. Just need to pick out a movie and then we can start doing this. Hey, so we have a problem, and by we I mean mostly me. You know how when you mess up, you kind of start adding lines on top of it to hide where you have messed up, but then you mess up the lines that you were trying to cover up your mess up with, and you just keep adding lines and adding and adding, and it just looks even worse. So I did that, and then I decided, this doesn't work. I need to start over. So I just painted some white acrylic paint on top of it. Now prepare yourself. Aw, it didn't focus. Oh, there we go. So this looks absolutely horrifying. And I have no idea how to fix this. And the movie is at the halfway point. And I haven't even started with the background yet. So, I'm a tiny bit nervous. And I need to stop messing around with the camera. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna eat a cookie make myself feel a bit better, and then I'm gonna start doing the background and figure out what I'm gonna do with this once I feel a bit better about this whole thing. Okay, so I am done. I'm so sorry I couldn't film a whole lot during the end because my battery is dying, because of course it is. Yeah, I don't know if the camera does pick this up. Her face is blue, which really, really annoys me a whole lot. But I like this house, so that's something, I guess. Today was the first day where I really had to force myself to finish the drawing. I didn't enjoy it after the face accident happened. I was just ready to scrap it and start over, but I didn't have the time, so I had to keep working, finish it. Most of the time when things go wrong, it's because I didn't put enough thought and effort into the drawing itself, and I'm thinking, I'm just gonna fix it with the ink. It's just gonna spontaneously become better. And yeah, that's just never happened. So I need to put a little more thought and effort into these drawings. Maybe I should scale them down a bit to maybe A5 or something like that, just to not have so much space that I need to fill, basically. But I don't know, I need to rethink some stuff. So yeah, I need to start editing now, and I need to edit like the wind. And tomorrow I hope I will have a better plan, a better drawing, feel a bit more positive, and maybe not end with, no, it's okay. Oh, and my boyfriend reminded me to do this. Okay, that's it, and see you tomorrow. Bye. I cannot talk.